Today, we're diving into something most Excel users don't know about: how to use XLOOKUP in Power Query from data held on the web. Power Query isn't just for data cleaning. You can perform really powerful lookups too. Picture this: you've got a list of films and you want to pull in the gross takings for each one. Sure, you could open your browser, look up each film, copy the value and paste it into Excel. But who wants to spend hours doing that? Power Query enables us to take the table of films and match it with the gross sales from the web automatically. Stick around till the end and I'll show you how to refresh your data with just one click. First, I'll convert this list of films into an official Excel table. Select any cell within the range and press Ctrl-T on the keyboard. My table has headers, so this looks good, and I'll click OK. It's always best practice to give your tables a meaningful name, so I'll rename this one Films. We need to now load this table into Power Query. To do this, head to the Data tab on the ribbon and select From Table/Range. Next, we need to load the table from the website. Copy the website's hyperlink, then back in Power Query, go to New Source, Other Sources, and choose Web. Paste the hyperlink we just copied into this box and press OK. Sometimes, when loading data from websites, there might be quite a few tables which exist on the page, so you'll need to find a table you need from the navigation window. A handy tip is as you click on them, you're shown a preview just here which should help you choose the right one. Select the one you need, then click Transform Data to load it into Power Query. Now we have both tables we require in Power Query, we just need to create our lookup. Select the Films query, then on the Home tab, select Merge Queries, which is basically the XLOOKUP functionality of Power Query. You need to select this column from the Films query, which are the values we want to search for. Then choose the website table from the drop-down and select the title column from it, as this is the column we want to match to. Then press OK. Click the double arrows on the new column that appears to expand the table and choose the columns you want to bring through, which for this example is just a worldwide gross column. Make any further transformations you need. I need to remove the $sign as it's being treated as a string, and then I'll convert the data type to currency. Next, go to Close Load To and select Connection Only for now. This is because I only want to load back into my worksheet the Films table. Come over to the Queries and Connections pane. To load the Films table into our worksheet, right-click it and select Load To. Choose Table and then select where you want to put it and press OK. Now, if you want to add any new films to the list, simply add them to the bottom of the original table, then refresh the query by right-clicking on the query table and choosing Refresh. I hope you found this video useful and you can use it within your workplace. This is just one of many ways Power Query can supercharge your workflow in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. If you want to learn even more about Power Query or other advanced Excel functions, check out my other videos. And as always, drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.